Hi, do you know you can get complete information, methods, properties, and attributes available for any function, module, or package using the directory and help functions available in Python. For example, I would like to know the information about the math module available in Python. Let us import math module and then get the complete information using the help function. Here we can see the complete information about the math module. And the attributes and methods and its properties using the directory function. Math inside the directory function. It returns all the attributes, methods, and properties available for that object. Similarly, for the mathematical complex function or the complex object, help on complex. Here you can see all the information about the complex function. Here you can see the attributes and methods available for the complex function. The conjugate is the method and the complex function takes two arguments. We know that imaginary and the real part. So this is how you can get the complete information about any function, module, or object using the help and the directory functions available in Python. For more such interesting videos, please visit our education channel and don't forget to subscribe.